food is ready. It is timely. Come back here. Where are you going to? Come and sit here. You need to watch your dad eat, okay? Yes, in the absence of your mother, you are the mother and my daughter. You need to be around always, okay? May Almighty Father bless this food. May it nourish my body, my soul, to the glory of His name. In Jesus' name. Yes. That's prepared by my daughter. I hope you tested it. I'm not sure. You are not even sure. So test it. So, I don't know what is holding back your mother over there. She's supposed to have come back by now. What about your brother? Yeah, Dad? Dad? So I'm ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Ready to go.
It's well. You're blessed.
Amen.
You're blessed.
Amen.
May God have your way for you today.
Amen.
Okay?
Amen.
Son, please, don't look for any trouble. Okay?
Okay.
Don't. Know your father, don't go for trouble.
It's okay, Dad.
Yeah. And most importantly, be attentive in the class. I want you to be the best in that class.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, Dad.
God will see you.
So, Dad, what's up now? Transfer.
Don't forget about before you get to the road, before you drive to the road, you transfer the road. Trust me, sir.
Just see now. Come, come here.
Yes, you always fond of your sister.
If you disturb that, I'll kill you.
No.
Then, let her know.
It's not a disturbing time. Don't worry, you get admission this year, okay? I've worked everything out. Alright?
Now Kevin, sure now, what's up? What's the happen now, Kevin? I don't know why he likes the day like that. Let's be good. Wait for that makeup.
So, guys, what's up now? Yeah. Okay. I'll call you back now. No, Alana, later. No, Lily now. Okay. Guys, what's up now? Man, I'm hungry. Oh. Let's go and have lunch now. Huh? Let's go and have lunch. I'm hungry.
I don't know exactly where we're going to have this lunch. James, what do you suggest?
Let me first, I'm so bothered right now. In fact, I'm thinking of how to reconcile with my girlfriend. It's really eating me up, so I don't have the appetite.
Guy, talking about your girlfriend, it's just normal. It's a normal thing. I believe if three of us now should go and beg her, put mouth beg her, she will accept now. For real. Me, I suggest we'll go beg her. Three of us. 3 good heads is better than 20 million heads. Let's go. 3 of us. Do it.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. You understand? So I believe we'll do it. Let's go. Let's just go ahead and talk to her.
James, can we go now?
She says so. If that's going to solve the problem, no problem. We need to go. It's already getting late.
Anna, no, Alana.
Let's go. We take this way or this way?
Oh,
baby. What do you want from me? Leave me alone. Beg the ground. Please.
Yeah, Cynthia, what's up with you?
So,
I'm good.
they're blocking my entrance.
You want to enter?
Yeah.
Alright, babe. Cynthia, baby, come on, calm down now.
You don't miss Kafo, but now I don't come back to you.
Listen, I'm sorry for what happened, okay? Calm down. Listen to my guy. Forgive him. He didn't do it on purpose. You understand? Just let the sleeping dog lie. Forgive him.
Forgive who? Eh?
James.
Calvin, this guy broke my heart.
Babe, I remember what my grandmother said. She said, without sin, there will be no forgiveness. Yes, fine. I understand what you're saying, you know. Yes. Well, he did something that is not right. I'm not supporting him. But right now, I just want you to understand something, that what you're thinking, he did. If I tell you the truth, you will go fall. Babe, you go fall.
Wait. I know the truth.
What is the truth?
The truth is that the girl is her girlfriend.
No!
And I am his sesmate.
No!
Yes!
That is where you're getting it wrong. Listen, that girl is just a setup. Listen, we did that to see if you truly love my guy. For real, I'm telling you nothing but the truth. Take my words. That girl is nobody to my guy. Babe, we just want to try you. And right now, we're seeing you. My guy, I'm not supporting you, but you don't do anything bad. Now we do it. Now we. Babe, my guy loves you. And from your eyes like this, you love my guy. Leave this thing. Wait, leave this. Give me this card first. Calm down.
Cynthia, you know
Calm down, okay? Calm down.
You know I'm the cost rep in my department, and then we just had to try this out with you. Nothing much. I'm so sorry.
You left me for another girl.
No, I didn't. Yes, I know we played the fast one. We wanted to see if you actually loved me, but I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry.
Stand up. I will forgive you on your own condition.
Okay.
Let this never repeat itself again. And this is for him.
Cross my heart.
You still love me.
Amen, man.
What's up, nigga?
Hey.
I see you, eh?
Hey. What's up?
Yes.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, man. Come on, you did it. Come, baby. My guy, look. Shh. Come on. Take it. I'm driving you this time. Okay?
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Alright. Come on, you guys happy?
Wow. I hope this will continue.
Driver, move this vehicle.
Who is your driver? Me. Alright. You just want me to blush.
It's a lie.
I can't. You know, for real. But you know why I'm proud of you girls on this campus? Because you're the happening ones.
Say that.
You know, you make things happen, you don't watch it happen.
You make things happen.
I think that's the language. You run things
Things
happen.
don't run us.
Come this way, I don't know how long or years will it take you to save us now. Okay, well, our truth is just waiting for you to quench the test. I said give us our favorite. You're bringing Manu. You know what we want now.
Guys everywhere.
You know, these are campus. You guys are only happening once in here. You make things happen, you run things.
Say that again.
I know you can never allow things to run you. That's Alright. Oh, this one is for the ladies. I need water. Give me water. You know, before you prepare other ones, I don't know.
This one likes it, so let her try it.
What's up? We are get them socks. Alright.
Yeah. You know my favorite. Keep falling.
No, but you know, that is why when you campus, you meet different kind of persons. So you just have to treat them the way they are. And because you two are fun. So what's up in there? How is my friend? I mean, your guy. How is he doing?
It's fine, it's fine. Yeah, it makes me happy.
Sir, can I see you for just a minute? Juju!
I hope no problem.
No, it's not that. So just for some few seconds.
Juliet. Is everything alright?
It's okay. No. So, Jude, what is it?
Are you mad?
Why?
No, I just want to know.
Okay. No. So, tell me, what is it? What? Come on. Say it.
I don't know which to start from.
Start it from anywhere.
So do you remember the day I saw you in school and I waited?
Yes, I do. So,
since that day, I've not forgotten about you. I've been thinking about you.
I hope I'm safe. I don't understand why have you been thinking about me?
Yeah. I fell in love with you right from the day I saw you in my dreams.
I'm sorry to say this. I don't know. Are you trying to propose to me or what? Because I believe I'm the one that was supposed to propose to you, not you, though.
Kelvin, that does not count. Yes. What really matters is that I've spoken to the man of my dreams. Kelvin, I love you.
Now, you see, okay, fine. We didn't take any alcohol there for me to say you are being intoxicated by any drink. Well, you've not tasted anything yet.
Yes, Kelvin. That's to tell you I'm in my right senses. I'm okay, I'm fine. I love you.
It's okay. You see, let me go home and think about it. I'll get back to you, okay?
Alright, this is so.
Alright. Can we go back and continue for what we're here?
Yeah, bro.
Alright.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, everything is fine. Not
What did you say? Say we just had a little discussion. No.
Exactly. Just a little discussion. Come on.
No, if you try nonsense with me. Baby.
pull down my roof with music. What is happening?
Nothing more. It's just that I'm happy.
You are happy and that is why you are making this kind of silly noise. Huh? Don't you know we have neighbors around?
I'm sorry, Mom.
Please, please, please. Please, don't ever repeat it.
Okay, Mom. It won't happen again.
Go and give me water. Ah. She's happy. Let me believe it's something good.
To do today, so I said let's start early.
Alright, that's nice.
Yes. Son is looking excited this morning.
Yeah.
What could that be?
Never mind. You know you're still a kid, that you're still tender, so you won't understand the things of the heart.
Sis, no longer a kid. At least I could tell when the woman feels something deep inside of her. And looking at you now, I could say you're in love. Sis, you're in love.
Celebrating your sister's Juliet. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
What do you mean, Mom?
Are you into any relationship?
No, Mom, I'm not.
Why? Then what are you still waiting for? Eh? Juliet, you're of age. Time is no longer by your side. Look, your mates out there are engaged. They have fiancés wearing their engagement ring. All you know how to do is jumping from one ashebi to another.
Stop this, Mom!
Shut up! I will not stop. Get yourself a man. Don't you want me to carry my grandchildren?
Okay, Mom, I'll try. In fact, I'm trying already.
Try harder because your effort is not enough. Try harder. Oh?
Okay, Mom. I'll bring someone for you.
Yes.
Soon.
Soon.
Yeah.
Auntie Juliet is in love.
Shut up!
She's just pretending.
Are you saying the truth?
Yes, Mom.
Mom, what does she know about love?
No,
Shut up.
Juliet, why are you hiding this? Tell me now so that I can relax.
Mom, I'm not hiding. I said I'll bring one soon.
Who? Your sister said you are in love. Who is that person?
He'll come soon. I'll bring him.
Are you in love truly?
Mom, I just said I'll bring one.
Have a date with him now.
Yes,
keep it so long. Eh?
Okay,
with
Mom,
him.
I'll bring him.
Yes,
I'll bring you one.
Hey, if I will say let it be tomorrow.
Mom, I just said soon.
Please, it calls for celebration.
Yes, Mom.
Cheers.
Cheers. I can't wait to see my in-law. When you had the man at them. When you had the man at them. Eh? I want to carry my grandchildren. Eh? It'll go okay. I mean it. Eh? Please, oh, let it be tomorrow. If I will suggest.
Mom, I just said soon.
That's what they say, Popo.
Yeah, very soon.
Why is this girl interested in me? I should be the one asking her for friendship, not the other way around. Anyways, she's beautiful. I think that's the most important thing. Yeah. I'm fine. And you, how you doing? So what's up with you? How was your day? Have you eaten and what did you eat? Oh no. I'm just playing with my laptop. And you're not sleeping too. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Sorry for waking you up, okay? Maybe I should allow you to go back to sleep then. It's okay. No problems. So, I don't know, how will your tomorrow be? Will you be chance for us to see tomorrow at that hotel? After lectures, 3:30. Maybe from there we'll have dinner. Oh, sorry. From there we'll have lunch, not dinner. We'll have lunch. Yeah, it's a deal. Good night, babe. Take care of yourself, okay? Sweet dreams. Bye.
You know say that girl come?
Are you serious? How she be?
That girl come, that girl so, that babe so.
How she be? She get better.
She package. No, it's
Now,
this guy fit do. This girl pack. I guess I go pull that girl come.
Who's that? It makes sense now.
Who say mem no day? I think I go pull that girl come that party. She come.
not for you.
Advice, guys.
Why did you guys come to class?
Jay, what's up, boy? Joe.
See, we go party. We go party. Now you will talk about
that boy.
we sleep small.
I'm just seeing you people's F piling up. Very soon, it will get to the point of Mount Sinai.
You don't forget how they take arrangement.
Stay there.
Calm down, leave that to me now. Don't be me, I can
Let me tell you guys. Since you did not come for lectures, see that GST lecturer, man is very, very wicked and mean. In fact, combine the two, that man is mean-kid. You just give us a term paper. In fact, an assignment speaking like a term paper, we should summarize from chapter 1 to chapter 12. And then I don't know what you guys may think about it, but I think we need to look for a way to do that assignment too. It's quite serious.
Wow. Good to know that there is something that could make us this serious.
Party guys.
Yeah. So anyway, as it is now, we have to pull forces together so that we can solve this. Otherwise, it will cast like this.
That's true. I believe I have the textbook. Yeah, I do. I'll bring it. So check out other examples and take it up from there.
Oh, yeah. Wait, so you mean say you get the textbook?
Yeah, I do.
That one makes sense now. Now just to combine head, we'll just combine force and try and sort out these assignments. You understand? So that we can make it. So we need to come out in distinction, you know.
My own not to copy.
Copycat.
I copy with
Bamba, monkey they walk bamboo the shop. Now that one you know.
Kelvin, what's wrong?
Afana.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. What's wrong?
Are you okay?
Kelvin been behaving well. You've not been talking.
Sorry.
Is there anything
I don't understand. What? Were you guys discussing something before? Shoo?
Wow.
No, seriously, what happened? What were you guys talking about?
Village people have come.
Hey,
That's village.
huh?
What's wrong, bro? I mean, you're not quite yourself. We might share.
It's change. Your mind is not just here.
Man, nothing too much. I just no, for real. I was thinking of something. No, see here, guys. If there's this girl. Oh no, okay. Let me say it this way. If a girl just walk up to you,
Okay.
from nowhere, she just walk up to you and she's like, guy, I love you. I want you to be my guy. As in, I want to be your girlfriend. I want us to have a date. I mean, in fact, a serious relationship. As in, you're not the one proposing to her. She's the one saying this to you. If you're this guy, what would you do?
See, me, as for me, that na big, better jackpot. I go dive inside, I go rush the girl. If the girl is nice, she's caring and she's good to go, my guy. I don't rush the girl, I don't waste time. No time.
My nigga. No, wait, you guys don't understand it. What I'm saying is, you don't know her background. You don't know anything about her. You don't know her from, in fact,
Kel, see, you are my guy.
Yeah.
You are my G. So I'll give you straight up. Truly, there's two ways. First, you have to know the kind of friends you hangs out with. Then you know her character before you start thinking of accepting her for marriage or for a friend or anything. Sorry, dude.
You got married. Okay. Yeah, in that case, I think there's a point there. You just made a good point. But for real, thank you. I appreciate you guys for your advice.
Any day.
Yeah.
Deal with you normally.
So, what were you guys discussing?
Chairman. Why important? Chairman of the woman.
Lecturer, assignment.
Okay, about the lecturer, the lecture was just coming up from.
Yes, no.
So, how are we going to do it now? We need to do that assignment. The guy is serious. So, whose house are we going to meet?
What can I do now? Anyway, since it is this way, I think we should meet at my place by 5 p.m. and probably see what we can do.
That's good now.
Your house makes sense now.
That's good. Well, right now, guy, I'm famished though.
Right.
Need to eat something.
Guys, cook better food, better fresh food. I'm hungry. You know how you be that guy. No time.
Scared.
Sorry. How you doing?
I'm fine.
What are you doing?
I'm going to my next.
Are you? That's good.
Yeah.
You're not looking bad.
Thank you, and you too.
Yeah, thank you. So what's up? How's it going?
Fine.
You don't have lectures today?
Yeah, sure I do.
Okay.
How about your friends?
Oh, they have lectures. I said I want to go. I just wanted to be with you.
Oh, really? That's nice.
Yeah. So how is it going now?
Yeah, fine.
You're looking good.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, I don't know. I don't know if you're chanced or I don't know. How is your schedule today? Or rather this afternoon?
After classes.
You have lectures. Okay. So can I take you out for lunch? I mean after your lectures today?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Say 3:30.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you know what? Then I'll leave you now.
Okay.
I'll go to the lodge. Let me go and freshen up. Then I'll give you a shout. And you two after lectures, I believe you go and freshen up too.
Yeah, sure.
And you two, I believe after your lectures, you go and freshen up too.
Yeah, sure.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright. See you.
Alright, take care.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Bye-bye.
Alright, see you soon. Oh. I want to give you the best.
And trust you, baby.
You refuse to close your eyes.
Did you ask me to close my eyes?
Yeah,
I should close
sorry.
them. Thank you. Cheers.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You know, it's been long and I have not asked you of your business. And I think this is the right time for me to ask. How have you been going on with your business?
We thank God, business has been good.
All right.
Just that I need to travel to Ghana. I mean Togo, rather, to get some items.
Wow. Is that so? So soon after you came back? It has not been too long, I know. You remember?
I know.
And
But this time I'm not going to stay too long.
barely 2 weeks. And you want to abandon me again.
Don't worry. I won't stay long. Go?
It's all right. It's all is well. Because it is for good, for the family and for everybody. Have you booked for a flight? I mean, have you booked your flight and your hotel room for the duration of time you will stay there?
Yes, I have. I've done that already. That reminds me. How is political stuff?
Wow. Well, we've been pushing it on. You know, politics is a game of push me, I push you, tug of war.
I know.
Yes. Actually, we are pushing it on. We are still in campaign. And our governor is trying to put everything in place. We are really pushing on.
The Lord is his strength.
The Lord is our strength.
He's going to win.
There's no doubt about his winning. He will surely win.
I know. Everybody loves him.
Sure.
And that reminds me, have you spoken with Kelvin, your son, about him leaving the country after schooling?
Oh, this is a good reminder. I've not forgotten it entirely, but you know, this is the right time for me to mention it to him. I've not done that. But I promise as he comes back from school, I will do that, okay?
Please try.
I'll do that. I will let him know that barely 1 month after his graduation, he will take off. Yes.
Because he needs to tidy up some things now.
Right. So, it's time I will leave. But I only want to remind you of one thing. You know that soup you prepared for me that day?
The nsala soup.
Is it a nsala soup? I mean the Rika Ikon. But wait, it was not a Rika Ikon. It was Afan soup. With that one that I used to. That's what I want you to prepare. Yes.
So much.
I love it. I tell you. Understand?
I know. I wish I'd be like you, Dad.
You will.
I don't think I can eat food.
With time. With time, we begin.
And that's why you're looking more younger. Look at you. Dad, you know, if I look at you and look at myself sometimes, I'll be asking myself, am I the father or you're the father?
Sonny, I'm funny.
No, but that is good. I wish. I just pray I'll marry a woman that will be forcing me into this.
You'll marry a good woman.
Amen. So that you sent for me?
Yeah. I sent for you. Yeah. Son, I want us to discuss something very important.
Okay, sir.
Now that you're through with your schooling, I know you will have plans for yourself. So I called you to notify you that whatever plans you have to hasten up completing them, because you're leaving this country in 2 weeks from now. You're aware of that?
Yes, Dad, I know you've said it before. It's okay. In that case, let me inform my friends. Let me tell them about it.
I don't understand. You tell your friends before you leave the country?
Yes, Dad. At least we'll have to celebrate it somehow.
Son, there's everything wrong about that. It's a wrong idea. Very wrong way. Son, these days we have learned from the past mistakes. Telling your friends before you leave is endangering your movement, endangering your life. Son, I want to let you know that you are of Mburanya. The only eye with which this family sees. You don't need to play with your life. Don't play games with your life. As you see our faces different, that is how our minds, our hearts differ. There are many with bitter hearts. They may be dining and whining with you, but their hearts are bitter for you. Therefore, you are going to leave this country that same date without telling them. When you get there, now call your friends. Have you heard me?
Yes, because it is okay. You know, people say gray hair, it's old age. But yours, that from yours, I've come to conclude that it is not old age, but rather it's wisdom. Because you always speak wisdom. Whenever you talk sense, you make meaning to everything you say. And that is why I said, from now onwards, gray hair it's not old age, rather it is wisdom. That's my son. So you will equally grow old.
You will grow old and older than me. Your mother will be leaving tomorrow for Togo for her shopping. Yeah, so you have to liaise with her tonight, discuss everything, but she may not come back until you leave. Okay. Alright?
Yes, sir. No problem.
It's well with you.
Okay. I don't think we should get my this place, the water. Give me my balance now. What's the worry? I'm just sharing, yeah? Can I make this? Guy, send my balance back to me. Don't let me speak grammar out. Send my money. Simple. Just dash yourself out of my phone, guy. Sandra.
Yes,
Sandra, you know right now, you're the only sister I have, right?
Yes, I do.
Are you sure? Sandra, do you have a boyfriend?
That question.
Yeah?
No.
No. You know, Mom, because she loves us, she doesn't have that time to check. I go check, I go check,
Would I leave down on job?
Leave down on job. You know you're going to stay with Dad. Mom is traveling. Make sure you take care of the house and you take care of Mom and Dad. Okay. Okay. If those boys, those skelewoos out there that behaves like a willow, if they should deceive you, and you take him. In fact, from that place, from Malaysia, I'll come and kill you. We're not from poor family, and you're not going to marry a poor family. Understand. See your eyelash, everything is just sweeping your eyes. You know I love you so much. You know, you're the only sister I have. If not that we are sisters, I would have married you. But it cannot happen. So if you misbehave, did you see the love between Dad and Mom? That's the love all of us should have. The person you're going to marry should be a responsible person. If I make good money over there, you'll come to that place. But if you misbehave, if you go and take pregnancy, we will not make money. I will kill you. Go.
No problem.
I will do my business.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
You too. Oh boy. I hope you know the work. Guy, my traps, no one catch anyone, I tell you. It isn't about a joke. I mean, I'm Daddy, there's something I want to understand from you. Is it that it's only my mom that you captured? then, or because I know Daddy, okay, all this country that you've been going to, back I know you have to go to get another brother. I get an international brother because it is, you know, you're a fine one. Look at you at this age, then compare with when you are still young. You know, you be only about J women.
Kevin, my son.
Dad.
You see, as a matter of fact, I wouldn't like to praise myself,
okay,
or to admire myself, but I know that it was my handsomeness
I said it.
that attracted your mother to me.
Yeah.
You see, those days in school, I was younger, very handsome. I was, let me say, the talk of the day. I was so handsome that they were hovering around me like bees.
And then they rush you, Daddy. They were rushing you. My mom captured you, just my mom.
Yeah. You see, one thing that attracted me to your mother was not as though she was the most beautiful among them.
Okay.
But there are some peculiar characters in her that moved me.
See?
Her gentleness, humility, meekness.
Is it? That you see what I said?
Yes.
Did you see it? You know, I have said it that your gray hair is not for just gray hair. It is not for old age. It is for wisdom. You see the way you just garnished those words right now. You just garnished them, and that. Can you just repeat that? The way
Kelvin,
yes, that.
You know one thing, I am thankful to the gods.
Okay.
I thank the God that made us for giving me you at the time you came.
Daddy, you're making my head to spark right now.
Yes.
My hairs are standing. You're making me a king right now.
You're a king already. You're a king. The son of a king is a king.
I feel that.
Look, I have gone around the world. There is no continent I have not stepped in.
Yeah, that's true.
And there is no major country in this world I have not visited.
Right, sir.
So the fact is that you are a king, okay? And as for grey hair, you are going to grow grey hair.
That is, yeah, I started coming out too.
Yeah.
I can see it's more.
Let them not come out now until you get married and you have
No,
children.
even if it's now, it's wisdom.
Of course.
It's wisdom.
Of course. So, that is it. Since you came, I have always appreciated God.
Thanks, Dad.
Because
you see?
You are meek, you are jovial, you are playful. In fact, most of the times when I want to become angry, I will see you around and you will turn the whole thing into joy again. I am so happy having you.
Thanks, Dad.
Welcome.
Dad, you see,
what is it? Just say
Dad,
it.
you know, why?
I know where you're going. I know where you're going.
That why I brought this topic is because there is this
I know where you are going. You better drop it now. Drop it.
Dad, you know now. There's this girl, you know.
You have caught someone.
Yes, Dad.
You have captured a love.
Yeah, Dad.
And I love it.
She's pretty, you know, but well, she's fine. Her name is Juliet.
Juliet?
Yes, Dad.
Wonderful. You know, it was that name that attracted me to one girl.
Hi.
I had wanted actually to marry her because of that name, Juliet. I so much love the name.
But the problem
she's from Mbise.
Wow.
Yes.
But the problem here is that I'm not Romeo. If I'm Romeo, now it would have been Romeo and Juliet.
Please don't.
But this one is Kevin.
Don't be. You know the genesis of that Romeo of that thing.
Yeah.
Romeo died for love.
Dad.
And you are not going to die for
love. Dad, I'm Kevin. Oh. Kevin is not going to die for love. This time around, we're going to rewrite it. Romeo died for love. Fine.
Kevin lives.
Kevin lives. Refused to die for love.
Anyway, my son.
Yes, Dad.
I would like you to love your wife dearly. We have been together. I've been together with your mother for this length of time. And I wouldn't like to offend her for one day. Okay. Especially because of another woman. Never. So love her, whoever is going to come into your life, very dearly. But I wouldn't like you to go into any girl, in a relationship with any girl without my consent.
Okay, Dad.
I must have to approve it. Because girls are like snakes, green snakes, under green grass.
It's okay, Dad.
Yes.
I've heard what you said. No problem. But I believe if you see Juliet, well, my own Juliet is more prettier and better than the other Juliet that Romeo died.
Are you serious?
Easy now.
Are the couple?
Hey, bro, this guy. Oh my God.
Why are you sweating?
Can you imagine?
Easy now. Thank you very much.
Hi, Doreen. I'm fine. So, what do I find, guys?
Babe, are you just asking?
Okay,
so
give us, are you sure?
Hey, look at this girl. She's getting fat.
Her boyfriend is really taking
Kelvin is really taking care of her.
I'm telling you. Oh my God. Before it was Romeo and Juliet, now it's Kevin and Juliet. The name has changed. Kevin and Juliet.
I can't wait to fall in love.
Even me.
It's the first time I'm hearing
Seriously.
you talking about love. What love fever?
Serious.
You guys should stop.
No, like seriously, she's serious.
Seriously.
You know what? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'll say it now. I can't wait to fall in love.
Baby! Are you awesome?
You know it, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. What you been checking?
Julie and Kelvin.
So, let's go.
What?
How you guys?
This is what kill us.
It's okay now.
This guy.
Hey.
I don't know your plan.
Are you
turning water?
No.
So, you're not supposed to stay here.
Okay, enjoy yourselves, guys.
Okay.
What?
Just for long-standing relationship.
Yeah.
The girls are okay.
Kelvin and Juliet.
No,
Which one is Kevin and Juliet?
this one is not for them.
Yeah.
Are you serious? Okay,
Yes.
sorry.
Kevin and Juliet.
Sorry for the mistake.
It's so cute. I see.
That's nice.
Look.
This guy.
What?
Before any other thing, let me say something serious. Babe, now that Kelvin is not around, tell us, what's your plan?
Serious? That reminds me. Have you called him to visit your mom before he traveled?
No, have not. Why did you ask?
Juju.
Juliet.
It's obvious.
Kevin has not visited your family. And you have not done that either. No, I'm saying this, so you know what men are capable of doing.
No. Look, girls, my lovely friends. Kelvin is not like that. He has promised to come back immediately, establish something over there. So I'm waiting for him.
Wow. This is serious.
Yeah.
You say you're not saying anything. I hope there's nothing.
Nothing. Just that I'm thinking, you know, I'll you guys know I'm traveling with my...
That's why you're like that.
We're going to miss you too.
I'm missing you.
We're already missing you.
Don't worry. We always call, chat together.
Yes.
You know so what? Don't miss us much.
You know what? We are going to bomb your phone like every day. WhatsApp, Facebook.
Serious. Getting it.
Buy 10 batteries.
You guys don't see me.
Let's go.
Please, those for myself, Julie. I really miss them, baby.
Look at you.
We are going to bring Americana to Nigeria. We are going to come with one white guy.
Sorry, I'm coming, okay?
Alright.
Yeah. Sorry for people. Yeah, it's no problem. Is it not you? Anything for you, man? Are you sure? I know you check very well so that you can have this. I'm coming. Hello, Kevin. Yes, your father. Hi. Yeah. Yeah, so how is everything over there?
Are you serious? Oh wow, so you are going to come back at last. I'm so happy, Kelvin. I'm so happy. It's alright. Yeah, your mother has been so worried about you. Yes. Even your sister and everybody around, your friends too. It's okay. That's alright. We're expecting you. That's alright. Wow, and if you are buying wealth in Torika or church or whatever, don't forget my brandy, my Hennessy's, and you know, my champagne, mostly. Don't forget them, okay? Yes, because I can afford myself any kind of clothes I want. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Happy to hear your voice, alright? Okay, take care. Very good.
Anything out anymore. Please, Kev. This number is not calling. Not replying my messages. I can't think of her anymore. Please, Kev. Picking my calls. Not replying my message.
My God, yeah, that reminds me. What's up between you and your guy? This one is not showing up. Hope all is well.
It's okay. It's just like he's out of town and he went for a business trip.
Wow.
So he'll be back within the week.
I see.
You're welcome.
It's okay.
Thank you. So, what do I get you guys? What do I get?
You asked me.
Okay, sorry.
When you are going to me,
I'm telling you.
Hey! Hey! She's okay now.
don't do. But she's okay. Hey, you want her to go see?
Oh, yeah, I'm here. Oh, baby. Juliet, this one you're here, I hope there's no problem.
There is a problem. Yes. I've not had for Kelvin now for the past 4 days. 4 days. I've been calling Kelvin for the past 4 days and he has not been picking.
Juliet, is that the problem?
Yes, it's a big problem to me.
It's okay. Have you tried calling any of his friends?
No, I've not.
You see? Juliet, you know what? Please, take it easy. Maybe we should visit one of his friends and find out if they are getting it.
Yes. Now, which of his friends are we going to start from?
Fred or James?
Let's go to James. Yes. Please, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. I can't go with you guys, right?
Please, let's go. Stand up.
Easy now. Don't worry. Maybe take it easy now. Later, okay? The drink, please. Take it easy, oh. Take it easy. Don't worry. You know, don't die because of this your heavy.
You're welcome. Princess, how are you?
Very well, sir.
Cynthia?
Very good.
Juliet?
I'm fine.
I'm sorry I had to keep you waiting at the reception. You know how it is with lawyers and work. And also, sorry about the way things are around here. You know, we just moved into this new place and we're still trying to set up. So, anyway, not to bother you about that.
No problem.
What do I offer you?
Nothing.
We're fine.
Nothing? Yeah. You can't come to my office and refuse me giving you anything.
We're fine.
We're okay, we're fine.
Okay. And Juliet, why is your face looking this way? It's not bright at all. Are you in any trouble?
No, I'm not in any trouble. It's just that I want to know if you've been hearing from Kelvin. Like, I've not heard from him for some time now.
I'm supposed to be asking you that.
Oh.
In fact, since the past 2 weeks, I've not even heard from him either.
She has not heard from him for the past 4 days. We're worried. That's why we're here.
Is that serious?
It's not good.
Not to worry, I'll try to get to him probably this night and then have him call you.
Okay.
Okay?
Please do. We do appreciate your efforts.
Is that why you're there, so?
It's okay.
Oh, smile.
You just promised that you call, so calm down.
Cheer up. So can I now give you something to drink?
No, we're fine. Maybe water.
You guys are here. That is very good. Good morning. Good morning. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you, sir. Wow. Thank you. Well, I know why you guys are here. You are here to see or to hear about your friend Kelvin.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
That's good. That's good. That shows concern. Okay? I love it. I love it. Well, I've been trying to reach him for close to 1 month now. What? Yes, I've been trying to reach him on phone, but his number has not been going. Yeah, and I don't know if it is faulty of phone or whatever, but I've not reached him. I've not been able to talk with him one-on-one on phone.
You mean for 1 month now you've not heard from your son, Kelvin?
Yeah. The mother is worried. No? The heart of a mother is always on her son. I'm bearing it myself as a man. Otherwise, I'm supposed to be worried equally. But I've been able to reach some other persons in Malaysia through other means. And I understand there is peace there. There's no trouble at all. I believe there is no problem.
Sir, that means he's okay.
Yeah, I believe so. I believe so.
Means it's okay. I believe he may have a reason for not calling. He will still call.
I believe so. So, okay, Frank.
Sir.
You all are co-owners of this place, right? Yeah, so you have access to my bar. Go there and take whatever you want to drink.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I guess for 2 or 3. And you know what I take, right?
My friend, keep quiet. Anything you can take it.
This is better.
It's fine. It's worried now.
What? Pure heart. Seriously, I can't believe that you're in this country. What are you doing here? Look at you, you look more beautiful than we've been in school.
Thank you, Kelly. Thank you.
For real, you can change. In fact, you're looking more beautiful. What's the secret?
I work with one of the big company here in Malaysia.
What? You mean in Malaysia you're working in one of the biggest oil companies, not in Nigeria?
Yes.
I'm scared of you right now.
Calvin!
No, for real. For real. Do you know what it means to work in anywhere in Malaysia, let alone an oil company that is not in... Wait. An oil company that is not in Nigeria?
Calvin, yes.
I'm scared of you.
What for?
For real. Do you know how long I've been in this country, but I'm still on the streets? And you... Wait, how long have you been here?
Yeah, I've been here for quite some years now.
Just me. How did you do it?
Calvin.
Yeah.
Okay. We left school, so Daddy asked me to come down here. So the minute I came down, I got a job, and I'm working. Yeah.
Wow. So you're earning big as in big money.
Of course, yes. In fact, they gave me a very beautiful car and beautiful apartment too. And I know you like the apartment when you come visiting.
No, wait. Did you just say they gave you a beautiful apartment?
Yes.
And a car?
Yeah, baby.
All free?
Yes, sweetheart. Yes.
Seriously, I need this connection. I need... No. You see, one thing about you is this, you're smiling always, and you've been using it to deceive us even while we're in school. See, this is Malaysia, and right now, this national cake, I want to be part of it.
Okay, Calvin, it's okay. And I hope you're not too busy with your own schedules here.
Busy?
Yeah.
To be part of this national cake. Busy? Do you know the truth? I've been on the street here in this country, and you're not telling me that you are living well, and you're talking about being busy. Please, what do you want me to do?
Okay, Calvin. Okay, so how about you visiting me at my place? How about that? Don't say no, please.
Pure heart? Yes. Right now, I am like a rock to you. use me and match me the way you want. Seriously, I am in. What? Wait. See, this is, I think we need to celebrate this. Because leaving Nigeria, do you know what it means? Before you could get employed in an oil company in Nigeria, you know what it takes? Let alone a country that is not yours. Oh shit, baby, take it. You're good.
Thank you.
Fine, you are good. I am going to celebrate this and I'm popping it with you right now. And I know you love this. What? Shit! Oh my god. You know what?
Kelvin, you've not changed.
Change from what? That I'm still on the streets and you're talking about changing.
Okay.
Alright. You know, we're gonna toast for this beautiful day that the Lord has brought us made us to see.
Okay, wait. Before the toast, how about meeting me at my place by the weekend?
I just said that I am like a rock. That if you want to match me any way you want, I am free. I am going to spread myself anywhere, any part of your house. So that when do you want me to
come? Stop. Is weekend okay by you?
Even today is okay. Yes.
Okay, let's toast for the days ahead. Because it's gonna really happen, you know?
We are toasting to the beautiful, most beautiful, intelligent girl from Nigeria that is working in an oil company in Malaysia. Oh God! And I know as I'm drinking from this, I am going to be connected to.
Definitely.
Oh sure. Shit, baby. She will not understand.
Okay.
Hi, what's up? How are you? You look good, right? That's good. Yeah.
Come with that.
She will not. But talking about drink, I have it. Everything, any kind of liquor you want, kind of brand. Sorry. Honey? Honey?
Yes, darling.
Please come. I have visitors. My guys are here. You just have to entertain them. Get something good for them, okay?
Okay, sweet.
My baby.
Alright. Honey something. Honey? Did I hear?
Yeah, bro. I have a woman there. I have someone.
We are waiting. Huh? Honey, please be fast, be fast. Hey.
One knot.
Yeah, for real, she's good. She's my woman. Soon I will put the whole thing to you guys. Yeah, I believe when you come to celebrate my house, we'll talk more about it. No
problem, it's alright.
Yeah, bro. Come on, just go. Let me enjoy with my friends on it, okay? I love you too. Okay, guys. Sorry, that's my woman. That's my love. The woman I love so much. Okay. Let me serve you.
Wait. Sit down there. Sit down. I don't understand you, Kevin. You were saying, I heard you saying, honey, I was expecting probably Juliet. That your babe now. We know something for you. I can't surprise. I couldn't see pure heart. Kevin, a pure heart. Guy, you the fuck up.
Calm down, guy.
Guy, I don't the vex. You don't make me the vex.
Is this